right, this is the property where we're going to be staying at. For the people that's coming in tomorrow, this is where we're going to be staying. If you look down here, you can see the beach. Isn't that a very lovely view? I'm going to turn it around. You see how they have the chairs on the balcony. And, oh shit. And then over here is another property, which you will have access to this property as well. It is in a family property. So if you have children, you can take your children there. How you doing? And this is the inside lobby, and we're going to get on up out of here.